Another important model, find the equivalent resistance across the terminals A and G. This A and G, you may connect a battery between A and B. This is the positive, this is the negative switch. So here 100 voltage battery, so you may connect like this. So when are the connecting here current I, so here current I. So here the three resistor, each resistor here R, each resistor R, total 12 resistors there in this cube. So here the current enter to this point, A point. So here I, here splitting to I1 because of the three resistor are equal resistor, and here also enter to the current I1, here also I1 current, here also I1 current. So according to R equivalent case, so according to R equivalent is equal to 100 potential different across the terminal divided by, so here total current 3 I1, total R, total current I, that I is equal to here sum of the 3 I1. You may find the I1 value. So that's how to find the I1 value. So we are going to discuss. Let us consider this negative terminal potential here 0, here the 0. So here the 100. So here the 100. So here the 100 nothing but this point I would like to consider X. This point potential X. This point potential also X. And this point after crossing this resistor, this point also X I would like to consider. So remaining one, here the 100 minus X, here potential also 100 minus X. So after that here potential also 100 minus X, 100 minus X. Once we know all potentials, so you may find the first X potential, this X value you may find. So how to find, already we know using KCL equation for X. So here this X. So X minus 0 divided by, first case 0 divided by here R. Now plus X minus of 100 minus X divided by also R plus X minus now this point. So X minus of 100 minus X divided by R, so is equal to 0. So here the X by R plus 2X minus 100 by R plus 2X minus 100 by R is equal 0. R take out LCM and 0 into something value 0. So final equation, X plus 2X minus 100 plus 2X minus 100 is equal to 0. So total 5X is equal to 200. So X is equal to this 40. So 40 volt. Once we know the X value, so current I1 easily to find the current I1. So here the current I1 is equal to here potential nothing but X minus 0 divided by R. So potential here 40 minus 0 divided by R. It means I1 is equal to 40 by R. This value substitute here. R equivalent is equal to, so here the 100 divided by 3 into 40 by R, that should be is equal to 0, 0 get cancel. So this is the 2 and this is the 5. So here the 5 by 6 into R, 5 by 6 into R. This is the answer to the question. So here this KCL rule equation. So I am going to discuss shortcut method. So in this shortcut method also you may use this method. In symmetry only you may use shortcut method, otherwise please don't use this shortcut method. So otherwise you may use this method, KCL rule or KVL rule. So here by symmetry you may identify total, you may this one is along this A and Q, like this me fold it means this resistor are parallel and this one and so I here and here. So here that's why here symmetry. So that's why here the potential A, first of all, here the potential A, here the potential G. So in between, here the potential, so I would like to consider here the one potential, here the potentials, I would like to consider different terminals like this. So here the E. So here the potential after crossing the B point, here the potential I would like to consider, here the potential I would like to consider X. So and if this one is X, nothing but this one also X, this one also X. Similarly, after this one, this potential I would like to consider Y. If this one also Y, this one also Y. So here the X potential and here the Y pointer. So you may identify how many resistors are there in between and in between A and X. So here AX1 and you may write down here like this. This is a point A and this point is G. This is a X, this is a Y. So these two potentials. In between A and X, 1 resistor, 2 resistor, 3 resistor. So here the 3 resistors are parallel because potential difference same in between A. Similarly, you may identify the how many resistors are there in between G and Y. G and Y, 1, 2, 3. So here also 3. Please do this method only symmetry. Otherwise, you may go for normal method. So you may identify how many resistors are there in between X and Y. So here the X, here the Y, one resistor. Here the X, here the Y, another resistor. So here the X, here the Y, another resistor. 1, 2, 3, and here the 4, here the 5, here the 6 resistor. Total 6 resistors. This 6 resistor potential same. That's why here the parallel combination. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This 6 resistor parallel combination like this. So here total combination R by 6. This one is a R by 3. This one is a R by 3. So in between here this R by 3, R by 6, R by 3. Here the series combination like this. G, here R by 3, here R by 6, here R by 3. So equivalent resistor R equivalent is equal to R by 3 plus R by 6 plus R by 3 is equal to, take out LCM, 6, 2 plus 1 plus here 2 of R. So total R equivalent is equal to 5R by 6. This is the answer to the question, alternative method. You may follow any one method. So if symmetry only, you may do like this. If symmetry only, you may do like this. Otherwise, you may go for a normal method. So another important model. So find the equivalent resistance across the terminal A and C in the circuit shown in figure. Each resistance in circuit R. So every resistor here R, each resistor R, each resistor R. So here each resistor R. So when you are connecting here means in this side 0 potential, here the 0 potential, here the 100 volt potential. So here the current, so leaving here to means here the current and here the current enter like this. Here the midpoint, that's why here also midpoint, that's why here the 50 voltage central. So because if resistor same, this is a 50. Similarly, after crossing this resistor and this resistor, here also 7. See here, this after 2 resistor, here also 50 volt, and here this one, after this one point also, because here in this way also one way. So here in this way, here also one resistor, here also this one also 50. So in this point, so moving, let us consider. So this is the one here to here moving, and 1 2, and here, so 1 2. So here also, or otherwise you may go for like this route also, here 50. So here also 50, here also 50, here also 50, here same potential. That's why you may remove this resistor. So you may go for a shortcut method. So what remaining diagram you may draw. So here the first remaining diagram you may draw like this. So this is the easy method. So each resistor like this, like this, like this. So each resistor like this one also like this. So this point is C, this point is A. Here connecting battery. So here like this. So minus plus. So that's why here this resistor remove, and this resistor also remove. So now remaining circuit diagram like this. So here also R. So this is the R, 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 and here also R, R, R. Now these two are series, these two are series, then these two parallel, these two series, then these two parallel. So R plus R2R, here also 2R, parallel R 1 by 2R plus 1 by 2R is nothing but R. R and this R and this are series connection. So this finally equivalent, here also resultant R. So here also resultant R. So final circuit, here the final circuit like this. So here the final circuit 3R, here the R. So this point is C, this point is A. So here the final circuit, again you made this 2R parallel combination. So R equivalent is equal to 3R into R divided by 4, 3R plus R. So this R cancels. So R equivalent is equal to 3R by 4. This is the answer to the question. This is a shortcut method. So I go for using for KCL or KVL equation. That way also we are going to discuss. So in here, listen carefully. You may go for any one of the case. So here you may go for another method. So first of all, no need to remove these resistors. So here, so how to find the R equivalent is equal to 100 divided by, here the current value you may find. Here the current flowing through the each resistor. So I would like to consider here the current, here the current I1, here also current I1. In this way current I would like to consider I2. So this I2 moving like this I1 and I1 also moving like this. So because here the two resistors, here 1 2 3 4 resistors is there. So that's why here the current is I2, here the current I1, here the current I1. So 2I1 plus I2. Here you may find I1 value and I2 value. So let us consider. So this point is X. So again this one is a 50 only, this one also 50, this one also 50. If this is a 50, here this value 100 minus X. So 100 minus X. So every potential value, this is X value you may find first of all. So using KCL equation for X. So X minus 50 divided by R. x minus 50 divided by r plus x minus 0 divided by r plus x minus 50 divided by x minus 50 divided by r should be is equal to 0. So here you may take out r and what is the final value here the, so you may identify the final value here. So x minus 50 plus x minus 50 is equal 0. So x total 3x is equal to 100. 3x is equal to 100. So x is equal to 100 by 3. So potential x is equal to 100 by 3. So here once we know the x value, so here how to find this I1 and I2 value also. So here I1 is equal to this I1. So 50 minus 0 divided by r. 50 minus 0 divided by r is equal to 50 by r. Similarly, I2 is equal to here the x minus 0 by r. X minus 0 divided by r nothing but 100 by 3 minus 0 divided by r. It means I2 is equal to 100 by 3r. So this value and I1 value substitute here. R equivalent case, R equivalent is equal to 100 divided by 2 times of I1 nothing but 50 by R plus here I2 nothing but 100 divided by 3R. So R take out common. So and so 100 divided by here 100 plus 100 here the R, here the 3R. So 100 take out common and get cancelled. So 1 by divided by 1 by r plus 1 by 3r. So this one look like a, so here the r equivalent is equal to, you may take out LCM, here the 3r plus here the r divided by 3r into r. So take out here 1 r common, like cancel. So finally 1 over by divided by 4 by 3r is equal to, so equation 3r by 4. This is the answer to the question. You may go for any one of the rule. Here another important model. Find the equivalent resistance across the terminal A and B. So let us consider this is a and this terminal B. These two are connecting battery, positive and negative. So here the already consider 100 voltage. So like this. So each resistor here R. So whenever connecting like this, here you may identify the, first of all. So here this current already consider I1. This current moving like this. This is the direction is the I1 current, and in this way I2 current. This I2 current here also. I2 current here the I1 current enter to this junction. So here the I3 current, this resistor and this resistor same, that's why this one is I1 current. So in this way, here the I3 current, here the I1 current. So here the, sorry, this way is the I3, this is the, because this one, these two resistors same, that's why here in this middle resistor current I3. So this is the I3. This I1, I2, this resistor current I3. So here the enter to this one, here the I2. So from this one, general formula, so R equivalent is equal to 100 divided by total current I. So 100 divided by total current I nothing but I sum of this current I1 plus I2 to I1. Similarly this I2 plus I2 plus 2I2 plus I3. So if you find the I1, I2, I3 and that value substitute here, will get the R equivalent resistors in between terminals A and B, will get simply. That's why I would like to consider here the potential x, here also potential x. So and here the potential 100 means here also potential 100 at this point. It means here also potential 100. Here the potential 0. Here the potential 0 because negative terminal side. So this point, middle point, that's why here the half of the potential here the 50 volt. So and here also by same property, here at this point also 50. Now this point also 50. So like this. So if this is a 50, now this point is a 100 minus x. Now this point is a 100 minus x. From this one you may apply here KVL rule. So you may find the x value. So using KCL equation for x. So here the x divided x minus 0 divided by r, x minus 0 divided by r plus x minus 50 divided by r plus x minus 100 minus of 100 minus x divided by r should be equal to 0. Take out LCM and you may take out LCM value here the so is equal to 0 and something 0 value only. So that's why so here the so g x by x min plus x minus 50 plus 2x minus 100 should be is equal to 0. So total 4x is equal to 150, 4x is equal to 150, x is equal to 75 by 2 volt. Once we know this x value, so I1 value also we know. So that I1 is equal to x minus 0 divided by r only, x nothing but 75 by 2r. So here similarly I2 is equal to here the current 50 minus 0, so 50 by r. So similarly I3 50 by r. These two values substitute, I1 value, I2 value, I3 value substitute here. So r equivalent is equal to 100 divided by here the 2 times of 75 by 2r plus 2 times of 50 by r plus 50 by r. So r take out LCM. So he 2 get cancelled. So here r equivalent is equal to 100 divided by 75 plus 100 plus 50. So into r, that should be is equal to 150. So 150 100 r divided by 225. So here the 5 25 fours are 25 into 25 into 8, 25 nines are, so here the 4 r by 9. So r equivalent is equal to 4 r by 9. This is the answer to the question. So whenever they asking question, this type of question you may do like this. Here another shortcut method also there. You may do whenever they asking this type of question, you may go for shortcut method also. So you first of all you may identify whether the given equation symmetry or not. So here how to identify the symmetry? You may fold it in between two terminals. You may fold it. So if fold same property, so same if you fold like this, means this one balance here and this one here, this one here and this one here and this one here. So everything fold. So that's why here symmetry. Whenever they are asking this type of question, you may go for symmetry method. So here the x and x, here 50 means you may remove this circuit, you may remove this circuit, you may redraw this circuit. Here the r and another one, this is a r, this is a r, like this. Another one here the G junction moving like this because the potential same. potential same nothing but this junction no current here, the sum of the here the potential is 0, that's why here the current moving I2 current moving directly like this is the direction, this is the direction. So here also moving like this, and this resistor, this one also completed. Now this one, so this one resistor completed, this two completed, this two completed, this two completed, now these two. So in between this, here the one more resistor is there. So here the one more resistor like this. Here the you may apply one more another resistor like this, and this is another resistor. So now this is another resistor. So here another resistor, this resistors. So here the one more resistor like this. So here next, this is each resistor now R, each resistor now R resistor. So now you may simplify easily. So they are asking here the potential A and here the potential B. Now these two are series 2R. 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 These two are series 2R. So now this one, this 2R and this R in parallel. So here you may draw again circuit diagram. So like this, this is a R and this is a 2R, this is a R and this is R and this is a R and this is a 2R, 2R, 2R. So 2R can. So here the R and here also R. So here the 2R. So now this is the R. Now these two are in parallel. So 1 by 2R plus 1 by R nothing but here 2R by 3. 2R by 3 plus R plus R. So 2R. So 8, this total here 8R by 3. 8R by 3. It means here also this total is nothing but 8R by 3. So 8R by 3. So now these 3 are in a parallel connection, 1 by 2R plus 1 by 2R plus 1 by 2R. So total 2R by 3. This combination also 2R by 3. 2R by 3. Again you may draw the equivalent circuit. So here the total 3 resistor 8R by 3. Here the total 2R by 3. So here the 2 resistor 8R by 3. So now this terminal B, this terminal A. So you may identify the equivalent resistor here. These 3 are in a parallel combination. 1 by R equivalent is equal to here the 1 by 8R by 3 plus 1 by 2R by 3 plus 1 by 8R by 3. So here take out 3 by 8R plus 3 by 2R plus 3 by 8R. Take out LCM 8R. So here the 3 so here the 6 plus here the 4 multiplied and divided by 4 nothing but 4 into 3 12 plus 6 18 by, so 1 by R equivalent is equal to, so 18 by divided by 8R 4 2 4s are 2 9. So here the R equivalent is equal to, so 4R by 9. This is the answer to the question. So whenever they asking this type of question, you may expand 2 methods. So you may follow any one method. One more important model, this is the star. So the resistance of all wires between any two adjacent dots is R. Here to this also R, this also R, any two adjacent resistor R. According to question, this one. The equivalent resistance between A and B. This is the B terminal, this is the A terminal, as shown in the figure is. So whenever they asking this type of question, you may identify this symmetry. That's why I go for second method directly. So now these two are series, then these are parallel connection. 2R plus R. 2R and R, this R and here the 2R, these two are parallel. So whenever they asking this two in parallel, nothing 1 by R, 2R plus 1 by R, nothing but 2R by 3. This resultant 2R by 3. This resultant also similarly 2R by 3, and this resultant this complete this resultant 2R by 3, and this resultant so 2R by 3. So then here the potential and here the potential same, that's why you may remove this resistor. So here final equation 2R plus 2R, so this is our reduced circuit can be given as like this. So this is the R, this point is A and this point is B. Here the 4R by 3, because here 2R by 3 plus, so here the connection like this now. So here also 4R by 3. So in between here resistor there, this resistor you may remove, because here the potential here after crossing here 4R by 3, after crossing here the 4R by 3, the same potential, that's why you may remove here the, so 4R by 3 plus R. So here these two are parallel connection. So one is a 4R by 3 plus R, take out LCM 3, so 7R by 3, this one also 7R by 3, this point is B, this point is A. Now these two are parallel. When are two are parallel connection, nothing but here, so you may write down R equivalent is equal to 3 by 7R plus 3 by 7R, that should be equal to 6 by 7R. So sorry, 1 by R equivalent. So here the R equivalent is equal to 7R by 6. This is the answer to the question. So today we are going to discuss a numerical problem based on previous case methods. So here one question: find the equivalent resistance across terminal A and B as shown in the figure. Each resistance in circuit is R. It means each resistance R. Here the each resistance R. So this each resistance you may identify whether symmetry or not. So first of all you may identify symmetry. So here let us consider here negative terminal. Here the potential outlet consider 0. Here the potential outlet consider 0. Here the potential complete 100. So 100. So here also 100. So after crossing here this current outlet consider I1, this current outlet consider also I1, because these two are symmetric. So here they moving this current I2. So this current also here the series, so no current changing. So this junction middle, so 0, here the 100, here middle point, here are the resistance R, here are the resistance R. That's why here the 50 voltage, here the 50 voltage. So that's why here the current same, and here the current I1, here the current I1, total current I, this total current I moving like this. So according to statement, resultant resistance R equivalent is equal to, already we know R equivalent is equal to 100 potential different across the terminal divided by, so total current I. So 100 divided by, here the sum of these three current, nothing but 2I1 plus I2. So here the I1 value we don't know, I2 value we don't know. So you may find I1, I2. So how to find the I1, I2? So let us consider this point is outlet consider X. So this also X, nothing but this point also X. This point also X potential. So if this is a X potential, this is a 100 minus X potential. This one also 100 minus X potential. So once you know these potential, so current here current I1 is nothing but potential divided by resistor is called the current passing through this resistor. So that's why here the I1 that's why you may apply using KCL equation, using KCL equation for x, equation for x. So here the x minus 0 divided by here the r value, x minus 0 by r value, so plus here the x minus of 100 minus x divided by r value, so next one plus x minus 50 divided by r should be is equal to 0. So from this one x by r plus 2x minus 100 by r plus x minus 50 divided by r should be is equal to 0. Take out LCM r, so and 0 into r nothing but 0. So finally x plus 2x plus x, so minus 150 is equal to 0. So here the x is equal to so 4x is equal to 150, so x is equal to 75 by 2 volt. So once we know here the potential, so I1 is equal to here the potential different x nothing but 75 by 2 minus 0 divided by r. So I1 is equal to 75 by 2r. Similarly, I2 is equal to here 50 minus 0, so 50 divided by here the r. So this I1 value and this I2 value substitute this main equation, R equivalent equation. So that R equivalent is equal to 100 divided by 2 into 75 by 2R plus 50 by R. So here these two get cancelled. So 100 divided by here the R take out LCM and 1 by here R nothing but here the numerator you may write R. So here 75 plus 50 nothing but 125. So 25 4 the 25 5. So R equivalent is equal to 4 by 5. This is the answer to the question. So alternate method also there. We are going to discuss another method, easy method. So here the easy method, this is actual method. The shortcut method also there. So see, here we go. So here this is the circuit shortcut alternative method. So first of all, so you may find here the negative side, here the potential 0, here the potential 0. Otherwise, you may do like this. Here the potential A and here the potential B. They are asking in between A and B. You may write down like this. And each resistance here R, each resistance here R, each resistance here R, each resistance here R. So here the potential. So after passing through this terminal potential, I would like to consider C. This terminal potential, I would like to consider C. This one also C. This point also C. So another one, this is the D. This one also D. So here, in between A and C, here this is a C point and this is the D point. So we may arrange like this. You may identify how many resistors are there in between A and C. Here the three resistors there. In between here each resistor R. Finally R by 3 here. So and so here the alternate method. So whenever they asking this type of question, you may do alternate method like this. Here the potential junction and here junction. Here also 100. Here 0. So in between here some x nothing but here 50 minus x. Here is 100 minus x. Here the exact center point because the resistors all are equal in that case. So in middle is 50 voltage. That's why here the symmetry, this diagram you may fold it, this one symmetry. That's why here the moving recircuit diagram like this. It means so here the recircuit diagram, this one resistor, this is another one, this is another one, and in between here the another one, here the another one, like this. You may draw the, because of the symmetry, so you may write down like this. This is a symmetry. Now this resistor and this resistor series, then parallel, then these two resistor series, this one is, these two are series, so this one also series, like that. So you may draw the again. So here 2R plus this R in parallel combination. In parallel combination 1 by 2R plus 1 by 2R plus 1 by R. So resultant here 1 by 2R plus 1 by R, nothing but take out LCM 2R into here the 1 plus 2. So here R equivalent is equal to 2R by 3. So this total result into 2R by 3. This one also result into 2R by 3. So then this is a series 2R by 3 plus 2R, nothing but 8R by 3. So here the 2R, so equivalent resistor again. So you may draw it like this. This is the one, and this is the one, another one, and this is another one. This is a 8R by 3, 2R, 8R by 3. This point is A, this point is B. So these three are in parallel combination. So in parallel combination 1 by R equivalent is equal 1 by 8R by 3 plus 1 by 2R plus 1 by 8R by 3. You may take out 3 by 8R plus 1 by 2R plus 1 by 3 by 8R. Take out LCM 8R. So 3 plus 4 plus 3 should be is equal to 10 divided by 8R. So this is a 5, this is a 4. So 1 by R equivalent is equal to 5 by 4R. So here R equivalent is equal to 4R by 5. This is the answer to the question. Another alternative method.